Tinnitus is the abnormal perception of a sound when no sound is present. Most people say, I hear ringing in my ears, or buzzing, or chirping, or roaring. It can be any sort of sounds. It can be constant. It can come and go. Sometimes people hear their heartbeat, and that can be a form of it. Tinnitus can be treated with sound therapy for some people. There's no actual cure at this point. And the reason why we have it, what a lot of people think, because there's no really definitive answer of what causes it. One of the theories is that in a brain that used to hear normally at all the different pitches and tones that we hear, when hearing loss is present and we take some of the auditory stimulation away from the brain, it kind of creates its own little song as a way to fill in the gaps. It's a very basic way of explaining it, but when people wear hearing aids or they put on a noise masker machine, a lot of people find relief because it's giving their brain something else to focus on, something else to listen and pay attention.